Siddharth, so let's go ahead for the mock of Nelco. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so please go ahead and first introduce yourself to us.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Siddharth Sankarat, and I am from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. And I did my schooling from Bhubaneswar itself, and I did my BTech from College of Engineering and Technology, Bhubaneswar. And I graduated in the year of 2019 in mechanical engineering discipline. And my hobbies include cycling and watching cricket. And in my family, I have my father, my mother, and my younger sister.
Okay, so Siddharth, you completed your BTech in 2019, right?
Yes, sir.
So what are you doing since then?
Sir, I was preparing for GATE in 2019, and after that, I got call from several PSUs, uh, and I again wrote GATE 2020, and then I'm yes.
So 2020, you also wrote the gate, right?
Yes, sir.
And you have received a call from PSUs also, right?
Yes, sir.
So which PSUs you got the call from?
Yeah, I got call from NTPC, IOCL, and now NALCO.
And Nelco. So have you been interviewed in any of these, for example, NTPC and IOCL till now?
Yes, sir. I was interviewed in NTPC and IOCL both.
Okay. So have you got the result or what?
Yes, sir. The results of IOCL and NTPC are declared, and
Sorry?
yes, sir. Both the results are declared, sir.
Uh-huh. Okay. So what is the result?
In IOCL, my total marks were around 77.039. I missed it by 0.025 marks. And in NTPC, my total marks were 73.56, and the cutoff was around 74.56.
So in IOCL, what was the your marks? Can you just repeat one more time?
77.039, sir.
Okay. And what was the cutoff?
77.064.
Okay. And what about NTPC?
My marks were 3 out of 5 in GD and 4.4 out of 10 in interview.
In interview, how much?
4.4 out of 10.
Okay. So what do you think? Why were you not selected in these two PSUs?
Sir, from my perspective, I think that my interview went good both in NTPC as well as in IOCL. But I think that due to the less number of vacancies, and I think my chances became less. And with my gate rank also was not up to the mark as far as the vacancies are considered.
Okay. Okay, so you want to join Nalco just because that you didn't got selected in any of these organizations, so you want to go for Nalco?
Sir,
Or
I
had
had to.
the had it been that okay, you had got the call from all these PSUs simultaneously, then which
Yes.
one would you have preferred and why?
Uh, Sir, first of all, when I was preparing for GATE, my sole aim was to join a PSU, and moreover, NALCO is a very versatile and a very diversified PSU, which have a power plant as well as also casting production unit, as well as also rolled production unit, as well as also one refinery for aluminum processing. I have I got a call from NTPC and IOCL also. I tried my best to make it, but even though if I would have been selected in IOCL or NTPC, I would have come to attend NALCO because I feel that more or less both these three PSUs, NTPC, IOCL, and NALCO are same and in most of the perspective, and the work in NALCO is very versatile. And born in Odisha, and I was also brought up in Odisha, so I've seen Odisha from a very closer view. So if I'm getting the same things in Odisha itself, so then it would have been it would be better for me to join NALCO rather than going to NTPC and IOCL.
So where are the where these plants of Nalco are situated?
I think the Kepri power plant of 1200 megawatt is there in Angul itself to feed the requirements of the smelter power plant, smelter plant that is there in Angul itself. And there is a refinery in Damanjodi and which takes bauxite from the mines of Panchpatmali Hills that is there in the Koraput district.
So Koraput district in Odisha, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is over there? Refining or what? Kind of
Uh,
mining.
Yes, sir. Mines in the Panchpatmali hills of Koraput, there is a bauxite mines of 300 million tons. Bauxite mine is there, and it is feeding the refinery that is there in Damanjodi.
So can you let us know something about the distribution of the bauxite across India and the location where you're going to have the significant amount of bauxite deposits in India?
So, as far as my knowledge is concerned, then I think that I know that there is a bauxite mine in Odisha itself in the Panchpatmali hills.
That's
Uh,
only there is a significant part only.
no, sir, there may be more parts in India, but I think I have no idea about that.
Okay, okay. So and okay. So what was your project?
As into my final year project was about a box transport mechanism,
Hmm.
and in that box transport mechanism, we the main motive was to convey the boxes by creating a time delay. For that, we used a uh, offset over the belt and pulley mechanism, and we put a bar on the offsets and the belt and on the belt and pulley mechanism on both the pulleys there was an equal offset made from the distance, and there was a driver pulley and driven pulley, and on the offset a rigid bar was fixed to the offset, and such that when the driver and driven both are rotated, then the offset bar will move up and down and as well as to and fro, due to which the box will be
Okay, okay. So
pushed
okay,
for.
Siddharth. So okay,
Yes, sir.
that's okay. So I think Vishal sir can go ahead and ask you some more questions.
Okay, sir.
Uh, so Siddharth, tell us about some of your favorite subject.
Some my favorite subjects include material science and strength of materials. Yes, sir, and thermodynamics also.
Okay. So you mentioned about your project like this box type mechanism. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes,
what is
sir.
that? That is a final you can say model you developed, or it's something like a prototype.
So it's a prototype. It can be developed into a big model, and it's just about the idea of showing that how the time delay can be produced by conveying the boxes, and as well as the time delay can be used for doing some intermittent works.
So only you carried out some kind of fabrication design, or something other, like any kind of analysis you also carried out, or only
Uh,
fabrication and design.
yes, a fabrication and design was the main part, but we also measured the speed and the time delay that is getting generated and all that.
So what are the outcomes of this project? How it can be utilized in industry for box transmission?
Moreover, sir, if there is a small object carrying industries, so, for example, in electronics industries, there are small parts to be transferred. I think the time delay is very much important because conveying mechanisms can stop in between itself. So the space can be utilized uh, as well as the time delay can be also utilized by providing some machines to the side of the conveying belt mechanism such that the machines can do the intermittent works.
Okay. So Siddharth, can you tell us the difference between heat and work?
As heat, so work is a path function, and uh, it is also not exact differential, as well as the heat is also not an exact differential. but heat is a low grade energy, and work can be utilized to do to push a uh, to run a fan or to push a pulley over any height. So that can be used. The heat can be used and to produce works.
Okay. So, what is second law of thermodynamics in context of heat and work?
So the second law of thermodynamics state that the total entropy of an enclosed system can never decrease, and if it is a reversible process, then the total entropy of a isolated system is going to be zero.
Total entropy of what? Like you are saying, total entropy of what will not decrease?
Total entropy of the isolated systems.
Okay.
And if it is a reversible process, then it is the total entropy of isolated system is going to be zero.
Okay. So, like I mentioned initially, what is second law of thermodynamics in context of heat and work? Entropy is fine. So,
Yes.
can you relate it something with the heat and work?
Yes, sir. Suppose if we take a heat engine, then there is a thermal reservoir, source and sink. The source will release heat, and the sink will take that heat. And the total entropy that is being given uh, to the engine is the total entropy will be calculated by the heat supplied by the source upon the temperature of source, plus the heat given to the sink upon the temperature of the sink. And if it is a reversible process, the summation is going to be zeros.
Uh, uh, okay, Siddharth, if I will give you a register like heating coil, okay, some
Okay.
heating coil, if I will give you, okay, in
Okay.
which some current is flowing, or you can say you are some electricity is flowing through this
Yes.
heating coil, okay.
Yes.
So, and that heat is rejected into some, we can say, area or room, okay. Heater is placed inside some room, okay. So if you will assume the steady state,
Okay, sir.
so what will be the entropy generation? What will be the irreversibility associated with this process?
Sir, sir, is that room isolated, sir? Insulated?
No, room is not insulated,
So then,
but it is in steady state. You can assume.
sir, I think. So I think there will be temperature increase of the room, and we can calculate further.
When the temperature will increase in case of insulated room, or the room, like we are assuming the that room or this register is in steady state. When the temperature will increase?
So if it is insulated, then the total heat that is getting generated from the register is going to be is going to be utilized for the room's temperature increasing. And if not it's insulated, then some part of heat is going to be rejected to the surroundings.
What is the meaning of steady state here?
Steady states means that the so I think it will be zero because the temperature is not going to change.
No, what is that? What do you mean by steady state?
The steady state means the property is not going to change over a certain period of time.
Okay, so if I'm saying steady state means the room temperature, you can take it as a constant. What do you think?
Yes, sir.
The this heating coil temperature is also you can take constant,
Yes, sir.
and the heat energy which is liberated by this heating coil, that is equal to the heat energy heat which is
Release.
rejected by
Yes.
the room.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now just tell me what will be the irreversibility.
It will be zero, sir.
Irreversibility will be zero.
So, so that if there is some heat generated, then I think uh, irreversibility is T naught into del S generated. I think. mm,
Irreversibility, how you actually calculate irreversibility? What do you mean by irreversibility?
T naught into T naught multiplied with the entropy generation.
So what is entropy generation in this case?
Entropy generation is the heat that is being supplied by the yes, there will be heat generation. I think the Q I square RT upon T of the coil, that is and minus the heat that is being liberated, that is being released to outside upon T naught of the atmosphere.
This heating coil is your system, Siddharth. Consider heating coil as a system. Now,
Okay.
what will be the entropy generation?
I square RT upon T of the
T,
heating coil.
T of the heating coil. Are you sure?
Yes, sir. If it is a system, yes, I think. Yes, I think that is.
So how you write, how you can write entropy balance for this?
Entropy balance. So if there is no change in increase in room temperature, I think entropy of room is going to be 0. And
What is the entropy entry? Like entropy entry, entropy into the system. Is there any entropy into the system?
yes, sir, that is through the heating coils.
What is system? Siddharth.
Heating coil. Heating.
So is there any heat entry to the heating coil?
No.
What is entering?
The coil is generating heat, sir.
No, so what is the input to the heating coil?
The electric current.
So that current is having some entropy or not?
Yes, sir, it will be having. It can be calculated by I square RT upon T naught of the heating coil. TC
Okay.
of the.
Okay. Achha, you know what theories of failure?
Yes, sir.
What are these? What are the use of theories of failure?
So there are different kinds of theory of failure, such as principal normal stress theory and maximum shear stress theory, and maximum shear strain theory, maximum strain energy theory.
No, why these theories of failures are developed?
These theories of failure are developed in order to use or design design certain materials, such as brittle materials are designed upon the normal stress theory, and ductile materials are designed upon distress and energy theories.
Okay. Why like you some theory you are preferring for some particular type of material?
Sir, I think that
From where you got that idea?
so the brittle materials, they don't show any yielding. For that purpose, I think the theory of failures, the maximum normal stress theory is used, and as well as the ductile material, it's showing it's showing yield. So I think maximum shear stress or the distortion energy theory is used.
Okay. So
Okay, Siddharth, can you let me know the composition of bauxite? Approximate composition of bauxite?
Sir, it is so aluminum oxide, sir. I think aluminum oxide along with mm, along with some ferrous alloys, some percentage. That will be.
What do you know about smelting? Smelting नाम सुना है आपने?
Yes, sir.
क्या है smelting? क्या है? What is smelting?
Smelting is the is a electrocatalytic reduction process, which is also known as Hall-Herold process, by which the aluminium, the alumina is actually converted to molten aluminium under electrocatalytic reducing cells.
चलो. Okay, तो विशाल sir, should we give him the feedback?
yes sir.
सिद्धार्थ, पहले तो आज आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लो लग रहा है बिल्कुल.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
क्यों? मतलब
Energy-
एनटीपीसी और आईएसएल में नहीं हुआ इसलिए?
No, sir.
तो then why are you feeling low?
So I
ऐसा
think
लग रहा है कि जबरदस्ती इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो आप? हैं?
Yes, yes. बिल्कुल.
I think sir, just I
हैं?
came after eating, so I think I may be dull. For
Sorry?
that reason. Sir, I just came after eating, so I think for that reason I may be
अभी
dull.
क्या कर रहे हो आप? अभी एमटेक कर रहे हो कहीं हैं? क्या कर रहे हो?
Yes, sir, in IIT Madras.
हैं?
In
आईटी में?
IIT Madras, sir. IIT Madras.
अच्छा, इसकी फीडबैक दे देते हैं, फिर बाद में मैं आपसे इनफॉर्मली बात करता हूँ वो रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ करके ना।
Okay, sir.
तो जैसे मैंने पूछा कि आपने वहां अपीयर किया और वाई वर यू नॉट सिलेक्टेड,
Okay,
तो
sir.
अब चलो आपका आंसर ठीक था कि आपने इवन यू ट्राइड योर लेवल बेस्ट एंड आई मिस दिस। आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो कि आपने मिस किया बड़े नैरो मार्जिन से। फॉर एग्जांपल आपने जैसे आईयूसीएल का भी बोला, तो आईयूसीएल में आपने कहा 77.039 और ये तो बोल सकते हो कि आई मिस विद ए वेरी नैरो मार्जिन।
Yes,
So,
sir.
okay, one reason could be okay because vacancies are also relatively less. But
Yes, sir.
despite that, I have performed quite good, and I think it was a narrow kind of competition, right?
Yes, sir.
So that way you can say इस तरीके से बात करो और गेट स्कोर लेस नहीं बोलोगे, मे बी बिकॉज इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ऑल दीज, राइट?
Yes, sir. Yes.
मतलब वो इस कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ऑल दीज, आप ये बोल सकते हो कि दिस इज नॉट द ओनली वन फैक्टर दैट डिसाइड्स ओवर देयर, सो इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ऑल थिंग्स. So I think of the total those who had applied, maybe little on the boundary I may be having that score also and all that. So इसका कुछ मतलब नेगेटिव नहीं जाएगा. आप
Okay.
ultimately ये बताना कि I think I perform well, but okay, I
Okay.
missed by with a narrow margin. दूसरा why नाल्को? नाल्को ही क्यों? मैंने आपको सिचुएशन दी थी कि अगर मान लिया इफ साइमल्टेनियसली होते तो कौन से उसमें जाते, तो यू शुड हैव सेड सिंपली दैट. ऐसा नहीं बोलोगे आप कभी, इवन दो इनिशियली आपने सही कहा कि all the PSUs are जब मैंने डिसाइड किया था तो more or less they seems to be like same in all the parameters. It's not like a huge difference between their working style and all that.
Yes, sir.
चाहे वो सैलरी स्ट्रक्चर हो गया, चाहे आपका जो है वर्किंग स्टाइल हो गया एंड ऑल दोस, तो ऑलमोस्ट मोर और लेस वो सारे उसमें ही हैं. सो इट वुड हैव बीन अ टफ कॉल, ऐसे बोल सकते थे आप. जबरदस्ती नहीं बोलना है क्योंकि नाल्को के लिए आप आ रहे हो, तो इसलिए जबरदस्ती बोलना नहीं है कि नाल्को के लिए हूँ,
Okay,
ठीक है?
okay.
तो आप लोग इट वुड हैव बीन अ टफ कॉल. सो आई थिंक दैट पॉइंट आई वुड हैव based upon taking the opinion of my seniors, maybe my mentors and all that, I may have decided how to go forward. But
Okay.
as of now, since I don't have option, so I cannot say anything about that. ठीक है,
Okay, sir.
इस तरीके से बात करनी है. और क्योंकि सिंस नाल्को जो है आपका एल्यूमिनियम एक्सट्रैक्शन से लेके उनके
Yes,
प्रोडक्ट
sir.
से लेके बिलोंग करती है, तो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास होनी चाहिए.
Okay. Yes, sir.
गो थ्रू द कंपनी
So,
प्रोफाइल,
just like that.
माइनिंग एरियाज कहाँ कहाँ है थ्रू आउट इंडिया, मेजर माइनिंग एरियाज कौन से हैं,
Yes.
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कैसे है उसके बारे में पता कर लो, स्मेल्टिंग और बॉक्साइट कैसे होती है बेसिक आप स्टडी कर लो उसके बारे में,
Yes.
एंड बॉक्साइट में क्या आपको कंपोजिशन रफली रहती है. तो
Okay.
बेसिक पार्ट आपका जो है वो रेडी होना चाहिए, ठीक है?
Yes,
तो
sir.
ये थोड़ी सी करेक्शन करो उसमें. और विशाल सर आप दे दो
हाँ
थोड़ी
जी.
बहुत.
Siddharth, like whenever any person asks you what is your project, don't say sir it is box transmission mechanism. Rather you can say sir I worked on a project and it is a fabrication and design of a prototype of a box transmission mechanism.
Okay, sir.
Get a point?
Okay,
So
sir.
like that is not making any sense. Only box transmission mechanism. Getting point? So in that,
Okay.
like if you will mention like this, they will be more interested in asking you how you fabricated, how you designed. Okay. And if you just work on like 1-2 hours, like how you designed, if you write some lines about that and how you fabricated, so like actually you are attracting interviewer towards those areas, fabrication, design. So in that case, like you will get lots of questions from that only, which you actually you can say already planned. Getting
Yes,
point?
sir. Yes,
So you will not get more questions related to mechanism, how it help you, because like they are also having some fixed time, the time
Yes,
module,
sir.
time schedule. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
they will not go into further detail. So,
Yes.
okay. And next again, like sir has also mentioned, you are not looking like confident today, your energy is looking very low.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay,
Because
sir.
we interacted many time in past also, so
Yes, sir.
just be confident. Okay, don't feel like sir I have not selected in NTPC or ICL. So don't
Yes, sir.
have that kind of thing in
Yes,
mind.
sir.
So be confident, be energetic. Okay,
Yes.
surely
Yes.
you will able to succeed like somewhere good in some PSU. So
Yes.
let me come back to technical questions. I asked you about heat work. Initially you faced
Yes.
difficulty. I don't know why, but that is a very simple question, but
Yes,
you
yes.
like struck off somewhere and you are not able to define this heat and work. Okay, so just try to recall things faster,
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay.
So I think there is no any discussion required. Like this time, I think if I will ask you again, you will able to define this time. Okay.
Yes. Sir.
But yes, I asked you one case, that a case of a register in which some electricity you are supplying, and I asked you what is the entropy generation and what is the irreversibility. Okay.
Yes. Sir.
So listen very carefully, Siddharth. Like, what is the input to the register? Work is in input. Okay.
Yes.
So work is not having any entropy.
Yes.
So what do you mean by work? Work is a high grade energy. Okay.
Yes. Sir.
High grade energy means it is not having any entropy. Okay.
Yes. Sir.
So there will be no entropy in to this register. And what is the entropy out?
Entropy is the
That is the heat,
heat.
which is going. Okay. At what, where it is going? Surrounding means that room. Okay.
Yes.
So Q by what? Temperature of the room.
Oh yes. Yes.
Okay. Plus your entropy generation.
Yes.
That is equal to what? Entropy change of the system.
Yes.
So that is entropy balance. Again, I am repeating, entropy in minus entropy out plus entropy generation equal to what?
Entropy change of the system.
Change in entropy of the system. That is entropy balance simply. So from that easily you can find out entropy generation. Okay. So if you are
Yes.
not like, if you are not aware about this relationship, you can simply find out entropy generation by what? Like entropy change of the system plus entropy change of the surrounding.
Surroundings.
Okay. So the system is your heating coil and that is in steady state.
Yes.
Okay.
I got confused there.
So that is 0. But what is the entropy change of the surrounding? That will be Q by temperature of the surrounding,
Surroundings.
no temperature of the filament. Getting point?
Yes. Sir. Yes.
So, and what is heat? The entire system is in steady state. So the heat energy which is liberated by the resistor, that is the heat which is going into the room.
Yes.
Okay. And that is I square RT. So entropy generation is nothing but I square RT by temperature of the room temperature.
Yes,
Okay.
I
Because the
got it.
surrounding is room. Getting
Yes.
point?
Yes.
Not you cannot write like atmospheric temperature or filament temperature. You need to
Yes.
put
Yes.
room temperature.
Room temperature.
Okay, because the room is your surrounding, immediate surrounding.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. So from that, like if you will able to calculate entropy generation, then you will multiply it by like TO, then you will get the
Irreversibility.
irreversibility. Okay.
Yes.
So theories of failure, I asked you after that. So work on that, like work on this, try to recall things faster, hai na?
Yes.
What is irreversibility and other things,
Yes.
how heat and work are associated with entropy or this law, second law. Okay.
Yes.
So you can mention about that, like because in entire thermodynamics you can put your philosophy na, like which you actually used in GD. Sir,
Yes.
heat is a low grade energy, and in entire thermodynamics our aim is to convert heat into work. So
Yes.
second law tells us like heat which is at high temperature, that is more significant, sir, because it is having it is a high you can say high quality energy because it is having low entropy. The
Yes.
heat which is at low temperature, it is having
High.
low quality energy because it is having high entropy in it. Okay. So the heat which is at high temperature, that is more significant, and if you will convert that heat into work, so the work output will be more.
More. Yes.
That from where you are getting that idea? From second law only, na?
Yes. Sir. Yes.
So how heat and work are associated with this second law? You can put na, ki sir, heat at a high temperature like this. Getting my point?
Yes. Sir. Yes.
Okay. So use your philosophical power which you are having, and don't feel like be energetic, Siddharth.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir. Yes. Okay.
चलिए, and theories of failure, you actually not answered very well, like what are the uses of theories of failure. Okay, why these developed. Okay, so you are having failure stress, yield stress or tensile stress you are having for a
Yes, sir.
particular loading,
Yes.
but are you having failure stress for combined loading? No.
No.
Like if you will test like you are having like the shear strength, the tensile strength, compressive strength of a material under you can say uniaxial loading only.
Yes, sir.
But in combined loading, you don't know the failure strength. So the theories of failure gives us the failure strength in case of the combined loading. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's why we use, because like actually like any component, they are subjected to the combined loading. They are not most of the component, if you will check like any machine component, they are subjected to combined loading. Okay, so for combined loading, respective failure are required, failure stress are required, that are given by theories of failure. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
And for further,
Got
yes,
it.
for different material like you are having. Okay, is that clear now, Siddharth?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
ओके, सो सिद्धार्थ इनफॉर्मली अब मैं बात कर लेता हूँ, ठीक है?
Yes. Yes.
पहली बात तो ये है कि हैंगओवर लेके नहीं जाना है, पिछले में नहीं हुआ तो उसको नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू में
सर
लेना
जाने
है।
सर रिकॉर्डिंग अभी आपने बंद
कोई नहीं, वो बच्चे को रेफरेंस हो जाएगा, क्योंकि हमने इन्हीं के लिए है रेफरेंस के लिए।
हम्म।
तो पहली बात तो है कि वो हैंगओवर जो है ना, नेक्स्ट उसमें
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
लेके जाना है, क्योंकि कई
Yes,
बार क्या
sir.
होता है कि हम जैसे फेल होते हैं ना, तो
Yes, sir.
काइंड ऑफ शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए डिप्रेसिव स्टेट में होते हैं कि यार मैं तो
Yes,
जाना
sir.
चाहता था एनटीपीसी में, पर मेरा हुआ नहीं, मे बी नालको उतनी अच्छी है कि नहीं है, मतलब समथिंग दैट वे। तो पहली बात है वो
Yes, sir.
हैंगओवर
Yes.
लेके मत जाओ, ठीक है। तो फ्रीली
Yes, sir.
करना है, मतलब ये मान के चलो कि आपके लिए नई अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलते रहते हैं, आते रहते हैं, जाते हैं, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट, ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, दूसरा जो है जैसे एनटीपीसी में आपने जीडी में तो आपका ठीक रहा,
Yes, sir.
पर इंटरव्यू में क्यों कम रहा आपका?
इस इंटरव्यू में वो पूछे मुझे फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट्स में शायद प्रोडक्शन में पूछे क्वेश्चंस, जिसमें मैं थोड़ा तैयार नहीं था।
अच्छा।
एंड के क्वेश्चंस बना लिया, जैसे कि वो पूछे कि शेपिंग क्या है और बोरिंग क्या है, बोरिंग और शेपिंग में कौन सा ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव है।
हाँ,
तो वहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो गया। और बोरिंग ड्रिलिंग और होनिंग में डिफरेंसेस क्या है,
अच्छा,
ये एक पूछे तो ये मैं बता दिया। और इंटर्नशिप के बारे में पूछने लगे तो मैंने इंटर्नशिप नहीं किया है, तो मैं इसलिए सीटीटीसी का बोला, तो उधर बोले कि एनटीपीसी तालचेर थर्मल, you would have gone there and you would have taken some experience there. Then I said that sir, I didn't get any opportunity to visit NTPC thermal, but yes, my wish was to go there. तो ये शायद थोड़ा नेगेटिव में चला गया। और बाकी सर एफएम और एचटी से भी क्वेश्चंस थे। एचआर
नहीं
में सर एक,
फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट आपने बताया होंगे ना?
ये सर फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट मैंने बोला था स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मटेरियल, थर्मोडायनामिक्स एंड मटेरियल साइंस, ये तीन ही बोले थे, पर उन्होंने डायरेक्ट प्रोडक्शन से क्वेश्चन
नहीं
पूछने
नहीं,
शुरू की थी।
हाँ वो रैंडमली देखो पूछ तो सकते हैं कहीं से भी,
ये सर,
ठीक है। तो ज्यादा क्वेश्चन आपके प्रोडक्शन के ही आए हैं, ये बोल रहे हो आप?
ये सर प्रोडक्शन के ज़्यादा है, जिसके लिए मैं पहले तैयार नहीं था। पहले के एक दो क्वेश्चन वो चला गया ऐसे ही,
हाँ,
बाद के क्वेश्चन 3-4 क्वेश्चन वो बना लिया प्रोडक्शन के।
हाँ। नहीं रैंडम तो पूछ सकते हैं, कई बार जो पैनल पे कौन बैठा है वो रैंडमली पूछ सकते हैं।
ये
तो
सर,
ओवरऑल तो तैयारी करके जाना होता है, आपने ओवरऑल तैयार करके चले जाओ। और स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्ट, क्योंकि एनटीपीसी में ज्यादा फोकस जो है आपका थर्मल से रिलेटेड सब्जेक्ट्स में ज्यादा रहता है नॉर्मली,
ये सर, ये सर
ठीक है ना?
एनटीपीसी, ये सर।
हाँ। और आईओसीएल में क्या रहा? आईओसीएल में मतलब रैंक देते हैं क्या वो?
सर वो रैंक तो नहीं दिए, पर वो 0.025 में नहीं हुआ।
हाँ
और
मतलब वो नैरो है, तो उसमें क्या रहा? जीडी भी ठीक रहा होगा आपका, ओवरऑल क्या रहा?
सर मुझे इतना लगता है कि मेरा तो 77.8 वो मार्क्स थे, और तो मुझे मिले हैं 10.9 आउट ऑफ 15। 10.9 आउट ऑफ 15 मार्क्स मिले, जिसमें मुझे लगता है कि सर 3.4 आई हैव गॉट इन जीडी एंड 7.5 इन इंटरव्यू सर।
अच्छा, टोटल, अच्छा, ठीक है। तो
इंटर
मतलब
जी,
माइनर इसमें भी थोड़ा बहुत माइनर सा रहा आपका ना इंटरव्यू में? उसमें नॉर्मली क्या रहा, जनरली रहता है आईओसीएल का, कोई ऐसा स्पेसिफिक तो होता नहीं।
ये सर इंटरव्यू अच्छा गया था सर, मेरे हिसाब से। मेरे को तो अच्छा लग रहा था, क्योंकि टेक्निकल पार्ट में उन्होंने ज़्यादा नहीं पूछे, आईसी से क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे, जिसमें बता दिया अबाउट आईओसीएल में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे कि आईओसीएल में ये होता है वो होता है। फ्यूल के रिलेटेड थोड़े क्वेश्चंस पूछे कि ऑक्टेन नंबर, और ऑक्टेन नंबर को बढ़ाएंगे तो क्या होगा। उसका मैंने ऑलमोस्ट सही दिया था आंसर। एक जगह में फंस गया, वो बोले कि इफ़ आई गिव यू द ऑफर लेटर ऑफ ओएनजीसी एंड आईओसीएल, देन व्हाई आईओसीएल देन एंड व्हाई नॉट ओएनजीसी में, वहाँ पे थोड़ा कंफ्यूज कर गया। पर बाद में मैं ये बोलकर निकल गया कि 2019 में मैं ओएनजीसी में ज़्यादा वैकेंसीज मैंने भरा नहीं था, और आईओसीएल में मेरा इंटरेस्ट था, इसलिए मैंने ओएनजीसी नहीं जाना है, तो मैंने यही बोल दिया। तो शायद मुझे लगता है कि वहाँ पे थोड़ा और इम्प्रूव हो सकता था सर।
तो ये थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना है, मतलब कैसे गार्डेड बोलना है, मतलब दूसरे के बारे में बोलना, जैसे ये वाला जो क्वेश्चन मैंने रेज किया था आपको अभी,
यस सर,
ऑफर लेटर दे दूं मैं कंबाइन तो आप क्या करोगे?
यस सर, यस
आपको तो पता ही नहीं है ना यार, आप बताओ ना, आपको क्या पता कितना है, कैसा वर्क कल्चर है ये। पर हाँ आप बोलोगे बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट डिसीजन है ये,
यस सर, यस सर।
ठीक है। मतलब दोनों हाथ में, एक में जो है वो मोतीचूर के लड्डू और दूसरे में जो है बेसन या इस तरह के दूसरे के लड्डू इक्विवेलेंट वो है, कौन सा खाऊं पहले,
यस
समथिंग दैट
सर,
वे
यस
सिचुएशन है
सर,
ना।
यस सर,
कोई बात नहीं, डोंट वरी, ठीक है।
Yes,
उसको पॉजिटिव सेंस में लो, बिकॉज
Yes,
आप जब
sir.
गलती करते हो तो आप रियलाइज करते हो एक्चुअली कि कहाँ
Yes,
पर
sir.
मुझे कैसे कहना
Exactly,
चाहिए
sir.
था,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, और वो
Yes, sir.
इम्प्रूवमेंट आपकी नेक्स्ट में होनी चाहिए,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है।
Yes,
तो
sir. सर एक मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ सर, जैसे नालको स्पेसिफिकली ये उड़ीसा में ही बेस्ड है, तो यहाँ पे मैं मेंशन करूँ कि
नहीं,
एनटीपीसी
एक
और
मेंशन किया था आपने, मत बोलो वैसे ना, मैंने तो आपको आंसर दे
Yes,
दिए, बाकी की क्या है, मत बोलो कि मैंने उड़ीसा में, आपको क्या पता कहाँ देगा वो।
yes sir.
और दूसरी बात है कि अगर आप उड़ीसा बोलोगे, दिमाग उनके होगा कि हो सकता है ये चाहता हो कि स्पेसिफिक उसको लोकेशन मिल जाए तभी।
Yes sir. Yes.
आप ओपन रखो ना, आप तो ओपन रखो, आप कहीं भी भेज दे, क्या दिक्कत है।
Yes sir. Yes sir.
जो भी रोल मिलेगा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में वो रोल करेंगे, क्या दिक्कत है,
Yes sir. Yes.
ठीक है ना।
Obviously.
हाँ,
Yes.
तो बाकी इसका बेसिक, नालको का बेसिक जो है वो स्टडी करके जाओ,
Yes sir.
वेबसाइट पे जाओ, देखो डिटेल देखो, बॉक्साइट क्या होता है, बॉक्साइट रिफाइनिंग क्या होती है,
Yes sir.
रोलिंग रूलिंग तो नहीं करते हैं मेरे ख्याल, नालको नहीं, देख लेना
नहीं
ये,
सर, नहीं करते
एल्यूमिनियम
नहीं।
रोलिंग नहीं करते होंगे ये, या कैसे कैसे का आगे काम फर्दर जो है, अगर बनाने के बाद एल्यूमिनियम बनाने के बाद कैसे रिफाइन करने के बाद कौन सा आगे करते होंगे रोलिंग, मुझे लग रहा है, क्योंकि
रोलिंग करते हैं सर।
रोलिंग करते होंगे, डेफिनेटली
Yes
करते
sir.
होंगे।
कैस्टिंग रोलिंग दोनों करते हैं।
हाँ, तो ये पूरा प्रोसेस थोड़ा बहुत जो समझ के
Yes
जाओ
sir.
उनकी वेबसाइट से आपके थोड़ा बहुत, ठीक है।
यस सर, एक और बात मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ सर, मैंने इंटर्नशिप नहीं करी हुई है, तो मैं जब बोलता हूँ कि नहीं करी हुई है तो वो बोलते हैं कि आप एनटीपीसी में कर लेते, आईओजीएल में कर लेते, ऐसा
नहीं वो
बोलते
ठीक
तो।
है, मुझे लगा देखो ऐसा है कि उसमें जो एनटीपीसी में जैसे जवाब दिया ना आप कि आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिला, ऑब्वियसली वो बोलेगा कि आप कर लेते वहां पर, आपने बोला कि ठीक है आई डिडंट गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटी, मुझे नहीं लगता
यस
कि
सर।
वो बहुत नेगेटिव होगा, नहीं हुई उस पर आप कुछ कर भी नहीं सकते इस मूवमेंट पे।
नहीं तो आपने
यस
जो
सर।
इंटर्नशिप का जो टाइम होता है उस टाइम किया क्या सिद्धार्थ?
सर मैं ये प्रिपरेशन कर रहा था सर, गेट के लिए।
थर्ड ईयर, तो
ठीक है, तो
सर्टिफिकेट क्या दिया था, कुछ तो दिया होगा ना कॉलेज में,
सॉरी सर।
कोई सर्टिफिकेट वगैरह कुछ दिया होगा ना, तो
सर मैं एक प्रोजेक्ट किया था सर, वो कंपटीशन में, इको कार्ड का कंपटीशन है उसमें मैं पार्टिसिपेट किया था, वो सेकेंड ईयर में था सर मेरा।
हाँ तो ठीक है, वो दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू चेक ना, लाइक देयर
यस सर।
so you can mention कि sir I have not gone through any kind of you can say internship but I worked
यस
on some project and in that
ओके
case you
सर।
can mention that also.
यस सर।
वैसे मेंशन कर दो कि मैंने
हाँ
ये काम किया
indirect,
था और थोड़ा सा उसको पढ़ के चले जाओ,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल,
यस सर। यस
but
ना।
don't say कि sir I have not did any internship and I prepared, like you know you cannot mention like sir
यस सर।
I
यस
yes. So you can
यस
mention about that project if they will ask you.
यस सर। यस
और
ओके
उसमें थोड़ा सा देख लो अच्छे से ना उसको, थोड़ा देख लो, अगर क्वेश्चन
सर।
पूछे
यस सर।
तो
यस
आप मस्ट बी इन पोजीशन टू आंसर,
यस सर।
ठीक है सिद्धार्थ।
यस सर। यस सर।
हाँ,
Okay
ऑल द
Siddharth,
बेस्ट फॉर योर कमिंग
थैंक
इंटरव्यू
यू
देन,
सर।
ओके,
okay
थैंक
good
यू सर।
luck.
थैंक यू सर।
ऑल द गुड लक।